The cabin air filter is located under the trim panel in the upper right-hand corner of the front trunk, yellow arrow. To access it, first remove the battery access panel using the two twist-off thumb screws, red arrows. Locate the passenger side trim piece, green arrow. Grasp the passenger side trim piece, just lift up on the upper portion, and note how the lip secures the trim panel with a slip fit for reinstallation, red arrow. The passenger side trim piece is secured at the bottom edge by these locating prongs. Reach underneath the trim piece, push up and release the prong, then slide it back, red arrow. Lift the upper right trim panel covering the cabin air filter straight up and out when the locating prongs clear, red arrows. Remove the lower two T30 torque fasteners, red arrows, and loosen the top two T30 torque fasteners, yellow arrows. Remove the aluminum bracket by sliding it down and out. Reach in and gently lift out the cabin air filter, rotating it around the two wires, green and blue arrows. Optionally, you can utilize the quick disconnect of the blue arrow to aid in getting the filter out. Snap the black securing clip off the connection, push in, and pull apart to disconnect. We did not disconnect the wires, and the cabin air filter slid out easily. Confirm your new cabin air filter is the same size as the filter you are replacing. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.